Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, as I mentioned in my last demonstration of threat intelligence, where I explained threat insight, that I'll bring another video for you, which is threat intelligence feeds. So first we will understand what is threat intelligence feeds, a quick intro before proceed to the demonstration. So today I'll showing you how Trend Micro Threat Intelligence feed works and why they are so important for cybersecurity. Threat intelligence feeds are continuously updated collections of malicious domains, IPs, URLs, file hashes, and attack techniques gathered from Trend Micro Global Research Network. They give organizations real-time visibility into the latest cyber threats, acting like an early warning systems to block attack before they cause damage. With these feeds, security teams can detect threats faster, reduce false positive, and strengthen their defense by integrating intelligence directly into their SIEM, SOAR, firewall, and other network security devices. In short, threat intelligence feed provide the actionable insight every organization need to stay one step ahead of an attackers. So let's go and see how we can download the feeds, how we can access the feeds from Trend Micro Vision One platform and import to your tip platform. This tip platform, in this demonstrations I took Anomali, so I will upload my feeds in the Anomaly platform, and Anomaly could be able to share with the security devices. You can also use these feeds directly to your SIEM, to your SOAR, to your network devices. So the IOCs, the malicious IP, the URLs will be blocked by your network security devices and infrastructure. So before downloading the feeds, you have to do some prerequisite steps, which I will show you here. First of all, you have to check the license is there. So you can see the license or either through credit or billing tab, where you can have the threat intelligence feed should be enabled. It's required 150,000 credits to enable these services. So once we are ensured that this threat intelligence feed has been enabled with the 1 year of a subscription, how much credit need to be allocated, then you have to create the API key. That API key is basically a token that will be used to authenticate and allow you to download the feeds from Trend Micro Vision One cloud portal. So you can set the expiration time. It could be 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, or it could be never expire. Once you done this part, so here we go to check the scripts, like what scripts we have it to download the feeds. It's available on our automation.trendmicro.com page, where you can have access of threat intelligence feeds and other APIs. You can have many APIs there, but our focus is only threat intelligence feeds. So let me quickly go through the threat intelligence feeds to see where are the feeds at the bottom, and then we'll select this the listed threat intelligence objects from threat intelligence feeds, give you the summary about the authorization methods. In our case, we are using the blur authentications, and then query parameters, the reports. There are the format that we have it. STIX and TAXII we are supporting at the so far. Contextual filter, we will use it for identify the location, for filter out the location and industry. You will see in my script I put it the filters just to only focus on Saudi Arabia and some of the specific industries. There are other filters you can add it as a part of the scripts, and then you can copy the scripts either through a Python format or the Java format. Okay, just click on copy. It will copy the whole script. You did some, if you want to do, you do some changes or amendments as per this the header parameters and the contextual filters you can apply on that. And then you can run the scripts through the Python. So here, this is the script that I have copied it, actually prepared for you just to save the time. We put this URL path. This is the token. This is the API token that we we generated actually from our regional platform, as I discussed, and then we will put this some query parameters, the start date, the end date. I want to take this feed. So for example, I will go back. I will say I need the feed from 6 month with the 01 day till, let's say, 20th of August. And then these are the header, these are the filters. I can filter out my feeds through the country, which is Saudi Arabia. Also the industry, I can put it either it's energy, utilities, government and public services. Instead of getting all the feeds, I can put the filters. If you don't want, just put it hash. Okay, so this line will be skipped, and then you can have the query. In our case, we will apply the filters. We'll also change the time, let's say from 1st of Jan to till August. Okay, and then you can have the query URLs, the whole script that we copied it. Once we done this part, then we will run and execute it to download the files. So after preparing the scripts, what we're gonna do, we will go to the PowerShell, or you can go to command prompt, and then you will switch to the folder where you can have this script. For example, in my case, my script is placed in C folder, and then you can write Python. The Python has to be downloaded before, and then this my script name, you will press enter, and this script will execute it to download all the threat intelligence feed files through the API to our portal, as you can see. And then you can use these files to upload into the anomaly tip or any kind of security solutions which supports STIX format or TAXII envelope format, correct? So it will take a few seconds to complete all these intelligence downloaded from our threat intelligence cloud. So now you can see all the feeds has been downloaded. It's more than 35,000 lines, the informations, and it creates the multiple files in our folders. This will include all the feeds that will be used, having such information about the patterns, the pattern types, the pattern versions, the names, the IP addresses when it is validated, the market definitions. You will find a lot of details, very rich contents in this threat intelligence feeds. So, hi team, these are the feeds files in the JSON format that we have created through this running this scripts. Now we'll use these files to upload it into the anomaly tip. So now after downloading the feeds, we have to upload these files into the tip platform. It could be your tip, maybe SIEM, maybe SOAR, maybe any kind of tip platform. But here I took this free open source anomaly STIX, okay, which can show you like, okay, once you upload the feeds, it will tell you the indicators, the severity level, the sources, the confidence, and from here you can import it. So I uploaded some jobs in the TXT format. Okay, however, inside the file there are STIX, but the format it will accept the TXT. I can quickly tell you like how you can do that. Go to the import button, click on it, select the feeds, and it will ask you like which field you have to import it, and then you can select the feed, and then you will set this three types, confidence, the severity level, and click import. So once it's import, it will tell you this is in process, and then it will change the state from in process to pending approvals. It will take time to get the approvals. Once it's approved, okay, let me see. Import jobs, approved imports. I need to review and I need to say approved. Once it's approved, you will see the indicators with the observables. Okay, what are the tags, what is their severity level, the confidence level, the status. So these are the details you can get it from here. Okay, so it's successfully imported. Okay, and it's almost have 438 items are there. that will also impact it on your dashboard from the last 7 days, let's say from 90 days. So here indicators, it will tell you the suspicious APT based, malware based MD5 hashes. From here, the severity levels, low, medium, high, the source, the tag, the confidence level. You can see like what are the low severity levels observables, you can have it. These IOCs, you can share it with your threat intelligence, devices, network devices, where it can take the actions. For example, here the observables that this link is malicious, so this link will be blocked by your firewall. Maybe you have the IOCs in terms of IP or hashes. We can have multiple pages where you can have those details. So you can search it through the IP perspective. It will tell you these are the IP addresses with the confidence level, with their severity levels, and you can download it as well. So that's it about the threat intelligence feeds, how you can download it, the feeds, what are the methods, how you prepare the scripts, the file that you have to be uploaded, either your SIEM, your SOAR, your any kind of tip platform, and then you can share the threat intelligence with your network devices, so they will take the action. So imagine if this attack is ongoing in Saudi Arabia, but somehow it is not impacting your network. So it doesn't mean that it will not impact, it will not be impact in future. What you're gonna do, you can take the proactive approach to get these feeds and to already put it into your network devices, so the action will be blocked in case someone is trying to exploit it, or this malicious IP will trying to come into your networks through your firewall. Your firewall will be able to protect it. I hope this threat intelligence feed demonstrations will be very useful and knowledgeable for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.